Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Electrify America charging with the mobile app. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, download the Electrify America mobile app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once the app is installed, open it on your mobile device. If you already have an account, log in with your credentials. If you don't have an account, select the option to create a new account. Follow the prompts to enter your information and set up your account. After logging in, locate the Find Charging tab on the. This tab will show you nearby Electrify America charging stations. Select a station that suits your location and needs. After selecting a station, tap on the Start Charging button. You may need to enter your payment information if you haven't done so already. Review the charging options and select your desired charging speed and session duration. Once you confirm your selection, the app will initiate the charging session. Follow the on-screen instructions displayed in the app to unlock the charging station. Once unlocked, connect the charging plug to your vehicle's charging port. The app will show the charging status and estimated time to complete. When your vehicle is fully charged or you decide to stop, follow the app's prompts to end the session. Disconnect the charging cable from your vehicle and return it to the station. You will receive a confirmation message once the session is complete. If you need assistance, use the in-app support feature for help. That's all you need to know to enable Electrify America charging using the mobile app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.